powered on, software installed. So we got good news and bad news. The bad news is that this thing was definitely registered July 9th. So that's about 6 months ago. The good news is that it wasn't registered to anybody. It was just open and started up. So I was able to register this to my name. See? Easily, and that means it's probably most likely a display model, although it could have been returned or manufactured, but most likely a display model. And here's the good news. If you look up disk info, you see this thing was only powered on 109 times, and probably 5 of those times was me just booting this up and installing software, restarting a couple times, make sure everything is good. So it's very new, and the best part is that it was only powered on for 151 hours, which is actually, if you hover over here, you can see that's only about 6 days, 7 hours. So if I run my laptop 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, which I usually do, then that's only 1 week's worth of use. And that's very new for all my intended purposes. So my guess is that Best Buy probably unbox this, put it on display, turn it on once every day, and then this thing goes to sleep in about an hour. And that's why there's only about 151 hours of activity on it. Very little use, and all the specs check out, so I'm super excited. This is a monster of a machine. You can see right there, it's got that 64 gigabyte RAM, 2 terabyte drive. Of course, we got the RTX 5080 laptop GPU right there, and then yeah, the Ultra 9 285. It's gonna be a beast of a machine. This thing is awesome. Super excited about this Best Buy open box pickup. And after I clean off the top here, everything looks really good. There's a little bit of dent right there. The slash light does work. I tested it out. So everything about this is just perfect. I love it. I got a great deal on it, and that's all that matters to me. I love this G16 Zephyrus with the 5080 RTX, and it's got that 64 gigabyte RAM, and it's in white. Oh, that's probably worth a bunch of money right there just because it's in white. Oh yeah.